happen to her. I know what I have done. Because once you give and you go and make mouth about it, now you open yourself up. Well, my prayer is that you give me intelligence, nothing happens to you. So let it just be between you and DPO. Full stop. If any policeman asks you a question inside the division, once you know you have told the DPO, just tell him, sorry, go and meet your DPO. Don't tell your senior brother at all. Don't mind me. I know what I have done. Should be saying name like Dantawaye. You go see something too. Oga Radio Rabbi, God will bless you, sir. God will bless you. I have taught on Gora, Abi, but I have not taught on civilian JTF. So DPOs, you know the rules. JTF, is it good that I arrest you? Vigilante, does it make sense that police is arresting you? Okay, if you break person head, I go arrest you. You cannot be doing my work to make me succeed, because anybody, even the man I give that Oga there, putting on Babariga, if he's able to pass on information for police to succeed, he's doing police work from another angle. So you are doing your own policing in a way that you are supporting us even more directly. Please don't use excessive force. We all know the rules. Once you arrest, hand over. They know, even in police, we are not allowed to torture. Please, I beg you, we are not allowed to torture. If we must work together, let's work by the rules. If you hit person, the thing break person head, Allah will arrest you. Don't beg while you are in my custody. Ask them, they'll tell you. In my case, once you know the right thing, you don't do it. I smile a lot, I pally people a lot. But once you don't do the right thing, you are brought before me. Inside that smile, and they carry you go court. Please don't let us pursue ourselves.